you can get notified whenever a new applicant applies and submits your form. So you can enable this to receive an email whenever someone submits the form. So you can enter your email address here and also enter extra email addresses. So for example, let's say I want it to be sent to this address. You can separate them by space. So just enter your team members' email addresses so they also get notified, and save settings, and that's it. You can customize the email that you send to your customers, to your team members. You can create a new email template, customize it, and send it out. And you can also include a PDF if you want to be sent to your team members. Next, you can send an email to your respondents. So whenever someone applies for the job, they also receive a copy of the submission. You can customize the email, make it your own, remove Formaloo branding, and say whatever you want. Show a table of the results or not. Just show a few fields, and that's it. You can also do answer piping in the subject of the email. You can do answer piping in the from name, or you can just say Nush from Formaloo team, right? So this is the email that's sent to the candidate, and you can select the email template, and that's it. You can also send a PDF copy of the submissions if you want. So this is how you can notify your team, yourself, and the applicant, the person who submits the form, easily from the notification tabs. Of course, you can use logic as well to make it conditional. So for example, if they apply for the SDR job role, I want an email to be sent to a specific person in the sales team, for example, let's say. So if the position is SDR, I want to send an email using a specific email template, let's say this one, to sales team, right? This is the sales team. And I want the email to be sent to the sales team, the sales manager. But if they apply for the front-end role, I want to send an email using another email template to, I don't know, the IT team, right? So this is how you can customize the emails as well and notify the relevant people in your team.